Trader update, Amazon.com. We own the $130 puts right here. We bought them yesterday when we hit that wall of resistance. The $130 puts, we got in them actually right around $4.20. We hit $8 today. We can put you in these winning trades. That trade is up 56% on the day. There's more downside on the daily chart. We're going to continue to hold it until we hit the 100-day moving average at 119.7. So when we break this short-term support level, which will be tomorrow, remember Amazon has done extremely well, and that is the trend line, and that is the 100-day. That's, like I said, if we come down, we hold that as support, we'll cover our shorts, and then we'll go long. Let us give you the trading capital. Markets have been selling off severely hard. Yields are running higher. There's a whole bunch of things going on, but we can help you make that kind of money. After 35 years, we've been through it all. So let me just tell you now, let's go ahead and get you signed up. Let's get you the trading capital. It takes money to make money, traders, and we can develop a group of people that can work together and make a lot of money.